Hello and welcome. So we are going on row 82. So this particular row um, is going to be a little bit different than the others because we're starting the middle squares on the smaller blocks. So just wanted to go ahead and take a recording and kind of show the color block that we're going to do. So right now I have the yarn attached. Here we're going to start with the dark pink. I'll pull up the progress tracker. So the order is going to be for 1 dark pink, 3 peach, and then 5 more dark pink for the center square. So we're going to grab and find that first stitch. Do 3 peach, swap back over dark pink, so we'll do 5. 3 peach, and then 1 dark pink. So that is the first section adding. So we'll have 3 rows of 5 stitches for this center square in these small block triangles. The larger block are going to be worked as normal. So we'll do the 2 peach. We'll go all the way across with the dark pink. So that's going to be 21 total. Mhm. 8, 12, and 18, 19, 20, and 21. Then we're going to do 2 peach to finish off the large block. And so on this small block here, we're going to do 1 more peach, and then 3 light pink, 5 peach, 3, and then 1. And then so on this particular section, the peach kind of flows into the other, so it's a little bit different than, but if you just split it up into the small block and large block, it's the same pattern. So we're going to do 1 more peach, 3 light. We're going to do a peach square in the middle, so there's going to be 5. That was Rocky, letting his presence be known. All right, we're going to do 3, and then final with the 1 single peach, like that. And then we're going to go ahead and start the next large block with 2 more peach. And then we'll do 21 of the dark pink. Okay. So those were like the main difference. So the next smaller section will have a dark pink square in the middle. And the very last one will also be dark pink. So that's gonna be the order it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this particular row, and I'll give you the progress for today, and let me know if you have any questions, and we'll go from there.